everyone. Today marks the first day of our wellness activities for the week. I hope everybody's doing well. Let's dive right in. This week we're going to be discussing performing a certain component of fitness. Now let's see what the components of fitness are. So in the components of fitness we have cardiorespiratory endurance, muscle strength, flexibility, mobility, muscular endurance, and body composition. Now, is that all there is to fitness? No. Those 5 components deal with our body, our health, our own health. But there are more. For example, skill-related fitness components. Skill-related fitness components will include speed, power, agility, balance, coordination, and reaction time. And this week we're going to be talking about the fitness component balance. The definition of balance is the ability to maintain your equilibrium while standing or moving. Now, if you are performing a standing balance, we refer to that as a static balance. Remember that. Static balancing, still. Dynamic balancing, well, now those are more movement balances while you're running, walking, even riding a bike. So let's go ahead and start with some very simple dynamic balances. All right, here's where we get active. We're going to call this part our 3 for 3. 3 movements, 3 minutes. In this case, we're going to do it on both legs, so we're going to double that. Okay, today's activity is balance, so I'm simply going to raise my right leg, balancing on my left. Seems easy, but we're going to do this for a minute, and then you're going to switch to your right leg and go for a minute. All right, then adding a modification makes it a little more difficult, okay, if you have your leg out in front of you. Now, as soon as you start this, you'll feel the muscles, the fine muscles around your ankle start to twinge, start to keep your balance a little better. This is a good thing. Go left, go right. And our last modification is to close your eyes, okay? We're going to go out to the side, bring your arms out, and close your eyes. This messes with your equilibrium. Okay, once you do this on both legs, shoot me a comment. Tell me how many seconds you did it on the right, how many seconds you did it on the left for all 3 of those exercises. After you're done, challenge somebody in your house to the same activity. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.